Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Kids, today we are going to color and listening a story about monkey and his friend with banana. In the jungle, there was a monkey named Milo, who loved bananas. One day, he found the biggest banana ever. But then, a baby monkey appeared, wanting it too. Milo thought for a moment. Then he smiled. He gave the banana to the baby monkey, feeling happy to share. From then on, they shared bananas and played together every day. And Milo learned that sharing made friendship sweeter than any banana. So kids, our story moral is sharing is caring. It makes friends happy and friendship grows strong.